Hello, it is I, Bev B Diamond Paints, and today we're going to be unboxing this box, unbagging this box from AliExpress. They are two partial paintings, I believe there's two partial diamond paintings with special drills, and I'm excited about it. I opened it up just to make sure that it is what I thought it was, and it is what I thought it was, so let's take a look. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I love it if you join my hive. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. So let's check it out. They come shipped to us in this box that is dinged up. Oh, ripped this way. See, I knew it. I was like, something is not letting me pull it out. Oh my god. As I break everything. Okay, so it comes to us in this box. Private custom gift. Wake up your wall. Private custom. Oh, is it a sexy time inside? Probably not, but professional diamond painting factory. Our product is produced with high quality materials. It's designed, planned, and produced by the professional team. Ooh. And then there's some Russian text. I don't know. Is that Russian? Some instructions on how to diamond paint, shiny diamonds, smooth cutting, strong glue. Look at that guy, he's pretty strong. And then DMC, fashion color, superior top quality, new concept, and then some Russian text. And that's the box. Okay, so let's shut up about the box and open up and see what's inside the box. Here's how it comes inside of the box. A little sneak peek for you. Some drills. And then more drills, some more drills, and then two diamond paintings. And then there's more stuff. Two diamond painting kits, so both of them are the same. Ooh, this is a nicer, bigger tray. Comes with sharp scissors, sharp tweezers, two things of wax, a multi-placer, looks like a 10-placer, and then the pen that comes with a 4-placer. And then this is the exact same kit, okay? All right, so let's open up, let's open up this one because I already see something that I don't like. Look at how it's wrapped. This is like folded under. Why you gotta do that? And then this is taped. Am I going to need scissors? I feel like this is going to need scissors. Luckily, my scissors are right behind me. Okay, so let's open this. Why is it rolled? That makes me sad. It's like folded. Let's unfold it. Okay. And this is going to be, I know which one this is. So this is going to be a deer. Comes on a foam core thing. Let me just roll it backwards. So here we have the canvas. As you can see, it is a deer, and we have, okay, so another pet peeve of mine, the schematic is only on one side, and because this is 40 by 50, if I'm working down here, there's no schematic for me to look at to reference. But here's the schematic. Looks like there's going to be 15 different drills. 40 by 50, LP021. Okay, so LP021. Where do we know? How do we know which LP021? LM125. LP. Okay. So this is how we know. At the top of the canvas, it says LP021, and then on the drills, it says LP021. If you can see that. So let's take a look at the drills. I really like special diamond paintings or special partials because I like the drills that they come with, and I like the having leftover drills as well. Take this down a bit. Ooh, look at these. These are really pretty ABs. Focus. Ooh, those are nice. Okay, and then there's some stars. Pretty. A red thing. Is this the eye? I don't know. Here's some bigger sparkly crystals. Ooh, I like these. These came on a peacock that I did, and it was so lovely. And then they come with crystal drills. And is there no DMC code? Okay, so take a look at these really quickly. Blues, 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 purple, purple. Okay, so those are the drills. Oh, and there's these really sparkly AB pearlescent ones too. Those are nice. Yeah, my favorite part, I love doing these partials. Before I used to hate it, but now I just love doing them because they're so quick to do and it's pretty satisfying to complete. And the drills are really, really pretty. Okay, so those were the drills for this one. I think that red, yeah, that giant red thing goes right here. I'm thinking. There's no number on it, but I'm thinking that's where the red thing goes. So this will be really pretty. It comes framed here. You can't really see. Let me move this up more. So it comes framed, like pre-framed, like printed frame, and the only sticky parts are the parts where you're going to be drilling, which is really nice. Because I've done one where the whole entire thing was sticky, not just the parts where you're drilling, and that was really annoying. Okay, so there's that one. We'll roll this up. And then let's get on to this one. This is the one I'm excited to see. Let's do this, cutting it. And this one is not folded like the other one was. Ooh! It's so pretty. Okay, let's take this foam core out and I'm going to roll it the opposite way. Check out this cute little cat. So adorable. This one, it does not have the measurements, but I believe it's probably 40 by 50 or 50. Yeah, I don't know. What is it? What's the other one? Yeah, so I think it's 40 by 52. And then here is the cat's face. Here's where that peacocky, like this peacock thing, I call it the peacock drill. Those are going to go all in here where there's just pink symbol. Here's the schematic. So 14 different drills for this one. And the reason why I ordered this one was because, if I can find it, because I wanted it to match, this one. Oh, this is one that I completed from FG Normal. You may have seen me unbox this one. This one I just did in one night. It was a nice, like, quick one to do. So I wanted to get another cat one that could go along with it. So they're kind of similar. Okay, I'm sad now. This one is actually bigger than the other one, so they don't actually act as a set. And this one won't fit in my portfolio. So that makes me kind of sad, but whatever. So as you can see them next to each other, they kind of do match, but one is bigger than the other one, which is kind of disappointing and makes me sad, but I'm still going to do this one and I think it will turn out really nice. I saw some lady on Facebook who finished this one and she sent me the store where she ordered it from, and I'll put the store link in the description below. So this one turned out really nice. Like, look at the special drills on this one. This book is really heavy to hold. But there's so many cute special drills on this one. Anyways, we're not unboxing that one, so get away from me. Here are the cat drills, and here it says LN125, and on the canvas we have LN125, so that's how we know that these are the drills for this one. Where does this tag open? Here we go. Okay. Ooh! There's so many of those peacocky ones. These are going to be peacock drills. I am naming them. 2021 is the year of the peacock drill. These are really pretty though. And then, oh, what are these? These are different. They're like, they have a flat back. Weird. How are these going to stay on the canvas? So they don't have like a flat area, but these are really nice. Then I think that's all for like those ones. Here's some bigger special drills. Ooh, these are nice. Rhinestones? Would we call these rhinestones or crystals? What's the difference between a rhinestone and a crystal? Tell me in the comments below. And then here are the sparkly drills. Lots of that silver color. Excuse me? Excuse me? So weird. Okay, look at this. It has like the red, and I thought it was like in a Ziploc. It is in a Ziploc, but it was just taped in this area. I've never seen that before. So like this pocket here is empty, and they just taped a Ziploc in this space. Weird. Okay. Whatever. I guess that works. I wouldn't have really noticed it anyway. Ooh, look at these. So shiny and blingy. Ooh, yes. I'm rich. I have gold. Ooh. Ooh, ah. Cool. Okay, so that was these two canvases. What are your thoughts on them? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like doing special canvases or partial canvases? If you do, let me know why. If you don't, let me know why. Either way, tell me in the comments below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye!